Hey Mo from HotJet, how the heck are you? Appreciate you tuning in. Want to go over our HotJet 2 model. It's absolutely the best seller if you're cleaning drains 2 to 12 inch. You've got a lot of options with this model. It's just an overview video. It's not an operational video. But you got a lot of options as far as power plants. We can do a diesel, which is the Kubota diesel. We can do, it's water cooled by the way. Other units out there are air cooled. We like the water cooled. We've got larger pump options if you want more volume of water. We've got our standard, which is the 35 horsepower Vanguard by Toyota. That's our standard unit. They've also got the 37 horsepower fuel injected. That's great for higher elevations as well. And then we've also got hydraulic reel options that really take this into a whole nother league. So you've got hydraulic in and out. This one's got electric reel in and out, which we can do on a remote control, which is really unique. You know, we like to package these fully loaded. I don't like going to a car dealership, buying a truck, and they got to charge you for the tires, the lug nuts, you know, all the extras. We want these fully loaded, turnkey, ready to go to work. And we've got our training class, which has been attended by hundreds. Thank you all for coming in. Because, you know, it's vital to know how to work a piece of equipment and to keep it busy with some marketing, good core marketing programs to help you establish your business. So whether you're plumbing, rootering, engineering, plant, or a city, we've got a lot of great options. And it's best to call because we've all been doing this a long time. So I want to go over this real quick. You got pump and motor, you got great access, you got a cover on the outside. This is an engineered heater. It's not like an afterthought. I notice there are a few companies. We're the originator of HotJet. That's why we're HotJet. But if you don't want hot water, that's okay. But the HotJet 2 has an integrated heater that can make spontaneous heat as your jet. And what cleans better, hot water or cold water? This industry is saying, oh, cold water just doesn't, or hot water just doesn't clean very good. Well, you know what? We got to get the story straight here. It's cold water doesn't clean very good. You know, even if you've got a monster cold water unit, they're great for flushing the pipes. They're great flushers. But if you want to actually clean the pipe, hot water puts that energy of the hot water and deep cleans and scours the pipe. Just undeniable. How do you clean your dishes? How do you wash your hands? I mean, on and on and on. How are you going to break that film in the pipe? So again, from 2 to 12 inch lines, this is a great option. This is our standard trailer. We can do it on a single axle, but we like the twin axle. Again, this one's getting ready to ship out, so I wanted to go over it real quick. So this unit's got the remote reel. It comes with the Warthog. It comes with remote control at solid state. It comes with both sets of nozzles. 1/4 inch. Look kind of our checkout too, huh, Bart? And the 3/8 custom drilled nozzle sets. You know, you can buy a jetter anywhere. There's a lot of jetter guys now. They're saying, oh, this unit's now a jetter or whatever. But it's interesting. So you've got this real low end. You've got this real high end of equipment. And of course, I think we fall in the middle. But the quality of this is just second to none. We appreciate all the orders. You know, once you get one, people like it. This isn't much bigger than the single axle units that are on the market. It looks bigger because it's got the tandem axle trailer, but it's a whole heck of a lot safer and a heck of a lot easier to back up, and it looks a lot more professional. ABC, look at that. All right, kind of on a roll today, huh, Barton? So back here you got a custom made hose reel. That's what I see on the low enders. They're really not very good hose reels, and God bless them. You've got your heavy duty hose reel, you've got your power wash. So this is a true hybrid unit. So you can take this out, you can actually power wash with it, as well as this will hook to the jumper hose reel. It's got the premium toolboxes. The other thing I wanted to show you, this actually has the light bar on it, and it's actually got rear lighting. Got a hustle, we got a truck that's waiting. Let's see if we can get that to work. So you can kind of see how that is. That's a real nice setup on there. Just kind of show you some of the options. This has got the toolboxes on it. You can also choose your color. We've got blue, yellow, safety yellow. We've got green, which you can show this one real quick. This is our green unit's getting ready to prep and test out. So green's popular. Blue's behind it. It's kind of a nice solid blue. And then we've got nice red. And you can also put your signage right here. I'll put this away real quick. A little toolbox. You can put your signage right on the side of this. So that just looks nice. So I see a lot of the guys have come through, put their signage right there. So we appreciate you taking the time to do a little overview on this video. We appreciate your business. We're known for great service after the sale, because this unit you can actually work on, which we like, and it's sure been a good quality, solid piece of machinery. Been building a long time now. Got a lot of them out in the field, but hot water really gives you the edge and keeps those pipes clean. So give us a call if you need a quote. Thanks a million. Appreciate it.